missing states. Chinese vessels on watch off Vizag coast. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing this in less than a week this evening at parade grounds in Hyderabad. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Karthikeya of Grade 4 Hazel. State news. CM Revanth Reddy calls for total revamp of government schools in Telangana. Sport news. Mohammad Rifan said no Indian team can be formed without Virat Kohli. 3 in sports. India. Salar Vishnu survival and India's gold medal at Europe Cup in Spain. Thank you. From Grade 4 Hazel, brought to you by Weather Report. Weather Report. Minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 29 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Sasha of Grade 4 Hazel. To you thought. Knowledge will not give you power, but your character will give you respect. Thank you.
My name is Tanuj. I am from Grade 4 Hazel. Now I am going to enhance your vocabularies with word house sit means look after a house while it's over a bed. Please spell after me. House sit. HOUSE SIT. House sit. Thank you.
Grade 4 Hazel. Today I am in front of you to check your general knowledge by today's GK questions. Question for Grade 1. How many sense organs are there in our body? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 5. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 2. Name the continent that will live in. I repeat my question. Name the continent that we live in. No, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is Asia. Question for Grade 3. What is another name for agriculture? I repeat my question. What is another name for agriculture? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is farming. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 4. Waste that can be decomposed fairly quickly is known as? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is organic waste. Let us appreciate it. Question for Grade 5. Which state of India first published HDI report? I repeat my question. Which state of India first published HDI report? No, you didn't pick the right answer and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.
Crystals are brought to you by Rebecca of Grade 4 Hazel. Tongue crystals. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Second tongue twister. Very borrower bought some butter, but she said this butter is bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of better butter will make my batter bitter. Thank you.
Is brought to you by Sujita of Grade 4 Hazel. Garba Gujarati is a form of Gujarati dance which originates from the state of Gujarat. The name is derived from the Sanskrit term Garba. Many traditional Garbas are performed around a centrally lit lamp or a picture or statue of the Hindu goddess Durga. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Country? Yes, my country. All Indians are? All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of his rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and read everyone. We quote of sea. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will begin and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Puneet of Grade 6 Jasper. International news. At least 67 Palestinians killed by Israel's airstrikes in Gaza as Ramzan begins. National news. India test fires Agni V ballistic missile with multiple warhead technology under mission Divyastra. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue state and sport news. Everyone, today's state and sports news is brought to you by Saisri from Grade 6 Sapphire. State news. In Telangana, an eagle squad to pull down rogue drones. Sports news. Rafael Nadal withdraws from Indian Wells. Sumit Nagal named replacement. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Maidar from Grade 6 Jasper. Today's weather report. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Today's thought for the day is brought to you by A. Harshita from Grade 6 Sapphire. Thought. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. I repeat it again. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Thank you. Today's word is brought to you by SV of Grade 6 Jasper. Today's word, exaggerate. It is a verb which means something has been larger, better or worse than it really is. Friends, please spell after me. Exaggerate. E-X-A-G-G-E-R-A-T-E. Thank you, Hannah. And today's amazing facts are brought to you by Geeta of Grade 6 Jasper. Amazing facts. Fact number 1. Minus 40 degrees Celsius is equals to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Fact number 2. Every odd number has an E in it. Fact number 3. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. It means 1/100th of a second. Fact number 4. On dice, opposite sides always add up to number 7. Fact number 5. There is no Roman numeral for 0. Thank you. Have a wonderful